Hey guys, it's Molly. If you haven't been to my channel before, welcome. I'm an abstract artist here in South Florida. I primarily work in fluid art. Tonight's piece is going to be a 15 by 30 inch canvas. I am working with the Amsterdam paints again, still experimenting a little bit with paint and water with those. I'm thirding a canvas tonight, so I'm splitting it into 3 parts. And I'm gonna use my blow dryer on kind of the middle portion. I'm using very interesting colors for me. Azo deep yellow. I'm using a primary magenta, and I'm using an azo orange. And then going totally different colors in the middle, so I'm using complementary. So with the yellow, I'm doing purples. With the oranges, I'm doing blues. So I don't know, we'll see how it'll come out. Okay, you guys, I wanted to go completely out of my color range this time with the background. And so I'm gonna do a tri-colored pour again, this way this time. I don't care if my lines are exactly straight, or I tried to measure them out so that they're even, because when I rip this off, you'll have this much space on the inside. So it may look like this is smaller, but it won't be. I had to wrap my head around that one. And what I did this time is I took 2 of the colors. So I took the bronze and the phthalo blue, and I used Creative Inspirations and water instead of the Amsterdam, to see if the different brands would be cell reactive together. Whoops, probably shouldn't have used all of it at the beginning. So I'll do my 2 sides, and then I'll do the middle like I was doing with the white. The one thing that I will say is, man, you sure do go through a lot of paint this way really fast. So let me blow this out. Okay, so now I'm going to, gosh, I love when tape peels off. Is that a weird thing, guys? Like, I love when the tape peels off and to see the lines of the paint underneath it. Okay, so that's pretty straight. That's straight enough for me, I think. And now I'm going to put, so this color was Azo Deep Yellow, and this was Azo Orange, and this color is Red Violet Light that I'm using in the middle. I want to make sure that I get my edges good. Right up along that other paint line. This is probably the hardest, whoopsie. This is probably, not whoopsie, but like whoops-see. This is probably the hardest part. And I'm not gonna puddle the color, I'm not gonna pour the paint over the colors and blow them out. I'm just gonna blow the, I haven't decided if I'm doing squiggly lines or if I'm doing puddle pours. I might do puddle pours on this one. All right, let me blow this part out. Okay, so see, my lines aren't perfect, and that's okay. Like this, you know, this is gonna be blown in different directions. Let me get my other side over here. Did I cover this whole area? Hope so. All right, so I'm going to, I had one little lump of paint, it looks like right there. Get that out of there. Okay. All right, so my colors, I'm gonna do on the orange side, maybe I'll do just like a puddle like that. Oh shoot, I didn't want to do the purple next to the yellow. Okay, well, I just did it. I just did it anyway. All right, now I have no idea how this is gonna look, guys. It's not, I don't know if it's looking so great right now. That's gonna go a little bit to green. These should be very pretty together. I wanted to try to save, okay, so I have a little bit of orange for that side, and just the tiniest bit left of yellow. Just little drips for this side. And the pink that I have left, I think I'll kind of do like that. Okay. All right, so I think maybe a little bit more purple. Oh, my light went out. And then here comes the Amsterdam white, my favorite part. It's just gonna go in it, not around it, so we'll see. Yeah, that copper, I don't know, guys. I don't know how this one's gonna turn out. May not be looking so great. All right, let's give it a try. If anything, you guys can learn from my mistakes, right? So you don't have to pay for it to learn it. All right, let's blow it out. Well, I must say, I'm pretty sure I think my prediction is right. One, I really like it. Two, I think my prediction is right. Using different brands with the Amsterdam creates that effect, creates kind of this cellular effect that happens. Because if you guys have seen some of my other pours that I've done with Amsterdam paint, when I use Amsterdam by itself, it doesn't create that effect. It actually takes torching to get these kind of lacing and cells. This is beautiful. This is stunning. I might fiddle and blow this side out a little bit more to look like this side, but I love I really like it. I'll show you. Yeah, see, this one's just a little bit off center. I love how shocking these colors are. All right, let me show you. All right, you guys, look at, now I'm using metallic, so metallic is already cell reactive, but look at that. I mean, are you kidding me? I have like my next 50 ideas now. I love how that blue turned just a little bit green in there. Kind of helped it flow. Look at that. I am learning every single freaking day. I love it. I love this art. All right, I will see how this one dries. I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed on this one. I really wanna know, because if I can keep those details in there, man, look at that orange next to the blue, the copper. I was worried. I was really, really worried about this when I when I started, and it's still not my color combination at all, but I kind of like it. All right, you guys, I'll show you when it's dry. Okay, you guys, here it is. Crazy enough, I kind of love it. I mean, look at how these parts dried in here. Of course, I can't get the shimmer of the metallic, but it's amazing. But look at that in there. I don't know. It's weird and funky, and I will say the one part that I am sad about, see those right there? Those pigments broke just a little bit. And that's the creative inspirations, I think, that blue that I was using. So probably mixed that one just a little bit too thin. Maybe broke down some of the binders, but I honestly don't even mind. I love this piece. So different, so weird for me, but I really like it. Gosh, I wish my lighting was better so that you could see the actual shine of the metallic, the bronze that's in there. But all right, you guys, there it is. Hope you like it. Let me know. All right, happy painting. Bye. Hello again. No. blah, 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 blah.